Alright, so due to an unfortunate incident involving water, my computer is unfortunately gone. I've never built a computer, I don't know anything about computer parts. I asked one of my friends who's good at computers, his name's Steve, to come take a look, and he said, look, there's many things wrong with this. It's probably going to be cheaper to build a whole new one. So we're going to go build a computer. Now I know a lot of people are like into computers and tech and stuff. I've just never been into it. So Steve is the tech person, he knows everything about computers.
We're gonna go buy a PC.
Steve is going to explain what I need to do. He's not allowed to actually do it for me, but I have to actually build it.
No touching allowed for me.
Under the mentorship of Steve. So I'm here at MSY. Do you think I can build this computer without knowing anything about computers, as long as he tells me what to do?
50-50. Hope we don't see you back soon with broken pins or anything.
I don't know what that means, but yes, I'm going to do my best. Thanks, Chuck. Here we are. We got to MSI. He's chosen all of these parts, and we're going to try and turn this computer into this computer. Is that how it works?
Yes.
What's the chances that I can catastrophically fail?
It's very low. As long as you follow everything that the instructions say.
I'm not going to read any instructions. All the instructions will only come from Steve. I'm going to guess what these things are. This is the power supply. I guess that's RAM. I assume this is a video. No, it's
no.
No, it's not. It says killer on it. Like, this is the video card. Then that must be the motherboard.
Yeah.
Processor. This is a drive. Will it run Terraria?
I think it possibly could.
I can't even get this out of the box. How did you learn to make computers?
I did a lot of YouTubing.
This is a manual. We don't need this.
I'm gonna read it.
We've got all these screws.
Next, we're gonna need to get the motherboard out.
Should we like touch metal or something?
Yeah, so we'll be touching. Should probably touch the case. Yeah, that should be enough. Don't touch the actual board. Fine.
Alright, so we're gonna put it in now.
Yeah.
You guys watching this, if you think I can do it, thumbs up. If you think I can't do it, I'm gonna screw it up. Catastrophic failure, thumbs down. Or if you see anything I'm doing super wrong, as I'm doing it, you're like, no! Please write in the comments. So, fellow computer expert Dennis is here. What do you think about these parts? Are they any good?
I'm not very up to date with the parts.
So where's your floppy disk drive?
As long as you can run the games you want to play.
Terraria.
Yeah, it's good.
Step 1 complete!
Next step will be the CPU. We're gonna be extra careful with
Okay.
how we handle this.
Treat it like your girlfriend. Sorry.
What we want to do is we're going to open the latch and take the cover off.
The latch. I feel like this is long disposal. Okay.
Cool. Now we need to take the notch will align. Push it down, the cover will pop off. Keep going. Yep, that's it. And lock it. Cover off.
Oh.
So what you want to do is you want to kind of align it. That's the hardest part.
Yes! Hardest part complete. Hey Sybilla, we're building a computer.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, why am I building a computer again?
People just leave open water bottles.
Yeah.
People.
Yeah.
Is we need to put in the RAM in the 2nd and 4th.
Why do we put it in the 2nd and the 4th?
It needs it in a certain configuration.
And again, this should just kind of
Just click right in. The fan part goes down because there's a grill there. So after we install this, we'll do a bit of cable management. Let's plug all the power in and let's make sure it works.
Are you confident that it's going to boot up?
Yeah, should be fine.
And I asked Sybilla to be here because I wanted Sybilla to be the one to press the power button. She just broke it. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Here we go.
There's lights. It's flashing. It's turning different colors.
You know what we can do to show this better? The lights are on! Wow! It's like a rave, Sybilla. What's going to happen if everything's correct?
The monitor will turn on. We're going to see the BIOS. Press the power button.
Is it
There's a power button on the front.
this one?
Yes.
Something's happening inside. Lights are flashing.
Done.
Good job, Sybilla. Good job, Steve. Good job, me. Sybilla's great at turning off computers. Hey, look, it's Beatrice. Hey! When you heard that I was going to make a computer, did you think I would succeed?
Yes and no. If you were like left with having to pick like what parts to buy, I think you would have.
Amelia is here. Amelia, what do you know about computers?
You could play games on them.
Yes. You know, the reason I'm building this computer is to play Terraria. What percentage chance do you think I will succeed?
Are you researching and doing it properly?
No.
Then 0.
I'm going to try and plug it in again.
This time we're going to adjust a few settings. Hopefully it can boot into your OS.
Here we go. So that's
Yay!
Wow,
Thanks to me.
robust.
What are you gonna call your computer?
I've decided to call this computer Sybilla.
Wow.
So, you know, naming it after me. Because Sybilla is monumental in the creation of this computer.
I'm sure I am.
Sybilla, you have to wish it luck.
You guys
Come on, Sybilla, you can do it.
Come on, Sybilla. I believe in you, Sybilla. You got this. Yeah, it's my desktop. Should I try and run Terraria or should I try and back up all my stuff?
Back up.
YOLO! Let's play Terraria! If Terraria works, we're all gonna go hype as alright? Wait for it. It's Terraria! Yay! Today I managed to build this computer on my own, all the parts put in on myself. Steve helped, Amelia helped, Beatrice helped, and of course the person who helped the most is Sybilla. The most important person.
Sure.
Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me fail at putting a computer together. I don't think I could replicate this. I don't think I could build someone else's computer now. But I guess I have a slightly better knowledge of what's inside and where things go. And thanks to Steve. Steve's the real hero of this adventure.
All good. Good job, guys.
Bye!
Bye.
Everyone looked like I messed it up or something. Oh. Is this bad if I do this?
Yeah. Please put it back down.
So we built a computer. To be honest, a lot of the time I did not know anything that I was doing. It all comes down to Steve. Thanks very much, Steve, for helping me build a computer. And thanks to all the people who checked in and made this video as awesome as it was. And of course, special thanks to Sybilla. It would not have been possible without you. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been a tech day with Jaye. See ya.